Ever wondered why that seemingly perfect CCTV camera starts showing blurry images? Or why that PC suddenly decides to freeze or even crash? Well, it's a common issue, one that can be solved with a bit of knowledge and some elbow grease. Today, the focus is on the nitty-gritty of CCTV and PC repair, a process that, while seemingly complex, can be broken down into manageable steps. Starting off with CCTV repair, the first step always involves identifying the problem. Is it a blurry image, a camera that won't power on, or perhaps it's an issue with the recording feature? Once identified, the solutions can be as simple as cleaning the camera lens to something more complex like replacing the entire camera. Next, it's time to troubleshoot. For instance, if the CCTV camera won't power on, check the power supply. If it's functioning correctly, then the issue might lie with the camera itself. Similarly, if the camera is not recording, ensure the DVR or NVR is functioning correctly. If it is, the camera might need a firmware update or, in the worst case, a replacement. Now let's shift gears and move on to PC repair. The first step here is also diagnosing the problem. Is the PC not booting up, or is it running slow? Or maybe it's an issue with a specific application. Once the problem is identified, it's time to move to the next step. Troubleshooting a PC involves a series of checks. If the PC isn't booting up, start with the power source. Then check the motherboard and the processor. If the PC is slow, it could be due to low memory or a hard drive that's almost full. It could also be due to malware, so running an antivirus check might help. If it's an application that's causing the problem, try reinstalling it. If that doesn't work, the issue might be with the operating system itself. In that case, a system restore or even a complete OS reinstallation might be the only solution. In conclusion, CCTV and PC repair both start with identifying the problem. Once that's done, it's all about troubleshooting. For CCTVs, it could mean checking the power supply or the DVR or NVR. For PCs, it could be anything from checking the power source to running an antivirus check or even reinstalling the operating system. Remember, while these steps might seem daunting, they are doable. With a bit of patience and perseverance, these common CCTV and PC issues can be resolved, saving not just money but also the hassle of dealing with service centers or professionals. After all, there's nothing like the satisfaction of fixing something with one's own hands.